Hello, and welcome to Ajuba Tech. In today's video, we are going to explore Lovable.ai, a coding platform. So, let's get started with creating a free account. The free account provides 5 chats messages, or you can say action to perform a task per day. And maximum 30 chat messages a month. So in summary, you only get 30 chat messages to perform a task in a month on a free account. Chat messages or prompts are the command you give to AI or a vibe coding agent to perform a task to code for you. So let's give a prompt from front page and build an application to see the results of this agent. For this tutorial, I have got the detailed prompt ready, as each prompt cost us, so we need to ensure that we prompt this agent very carefully. If you want to know the prompt I have used, just leave a message in the comment box I will share with you. After giving the prompt to this agent, this will start building the application for us. And I am so excited to see the results. And this is going to take some time to build, so I am fast forwarding this step. This is amazing. On the left we have our prompt window, and on the right side we have preview window. Just a few more seconds to go. And it's done. I can see in the preview the front page of an app we want to do build, and all set to go. Wow. Let's explore some features. As I have prompted to build a task management app for me, and see, this is really cool. Okay, so on top right navigation menu, you see few icons, the green one to connect with database behind the app. Remember, this application is just in prototype, not a fully functional app, so we need to configure database. Best part is, this app allows you to connect with database in few clicks if you already have an account. Or take you to Supabase app to create one free account with 15 days trial period to test your application. Next icon is for GitHub, which allow you to keep track your code directly to your GitHub account. Invite feature is really great. You may ask your team to collaborate on your code with you. Remember, that will consume your credit, not your team user account credit. And user need to have an active account with Lovable to contribute in your project. Let's explore more features. This icon shows the version history. Currently, we have only one version of this app. When you start developing, you will see more version of your app, and you will able to roll back the version if you want to. This icon to hide the message bar on your left. This allow you to see how your app interface look like in whole screen. Also the arrow icon to open up the application in new web browser to see how it looks. This publish icon on the right. This allow you to publish your application to the custom domain, your business domain, or Lovable hosted domain when your application is ready to launch. Here you can see how many pages are built in the app. At this stage we got sign in, sign up, and dashboard page. The / means the home page or landing page of your application. This button allow you to see the code. This the code viewer. You may explore the code structure, functions, components, pages, and more. Let's navigate to the dashboard of this application. We are currently on the dashboard with board view, where we can see to do task in progress, tasks in review, and tasks which are done. Nicely designed and developed in card view. Then we have lists view, calendar view, Gantt view, which needs to be built, team view, and profile page with settings. Let's see how this designed our login and sign up pages. Also explore does our application will look on mobile and tab, as here we can preview that too. So this was the quick short video on Lovable.dev. I hope you liked this video. Please comment in the box if you want to see the whole video, including connecting with database, connecting with different API like Google, GCP, and more. I will be more than happy to prepare that one for you. Thanks again, see you next one soon.